Welcome, foodies, to our YouTube shorts. Today, we're embarking on a unique culinary journey, the Chocolate Challenge. We're creating a 3-course meal with chocolate as our star ingredient. Intrigued? Let's devane. For starters, we're making a chocolate chili concorn. Did you know? The Aztecs were the first to pair chili with chocolate. This combination enhances the depth of flavors. Ingredients: 500 grams minced beef, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 can of kidney beans, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, 1 tsp chili powder, 50 grams dark chocolate. Instructions: sauté the onion and garlic. Add the beef and cook until browned. Add the tomatoes, beans, chili powder, and chocolate. Simmer for 20 minutes. Our main course is chocolate glazed steak. Surprisingly, cocoa contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that reduce cell damage. So, this dish is not just delicious but also nutritious. Ingredients: to steaks, salt, pepper, 50 grams dark chocolate, to tsp butter. Instructions: season the steaks with salt and pepper. Cook to your liking. Melt the chocolate and butter together to create a glaze. Pour over the cooked steaks. Finally, dessert the triple chocolate mousse. This dish showcases the versatility of chocolate, from dark to milk to white. Ingredients: 100 grams dark chocolate, 100 grams milk chocolate, 100 grams white chocolate, 3 cups of whipped cream. Instructions: melt each chocolate separately. Let it cool, then fold in the whipped cream. Layer the mousses in a glass and refrigerate until set. So join us as we explore the magic of chocolate in ways you've never imagined. Stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's get cooking. Enjoy your chocolate feast.